Guys, seriously, this is a game changer.
Performance Package 4.0 kit includes everything that you need.
And as soon as you open the box, boom, your balls will thank you.
Here is the star of the show, the Lawnmower 4.0. And this thing is a friggin' beauty, boys.
It has the same robust ceramic blades and skin-safe technology, just like its predecessors.
This takes it right off.
The trimmer is waterproof and wireless, so it's easy to use in the shower.
Still raining, still getting wet, but it's okay.
The Lawnmower 4.0 has a strong motor with 7,000 RPM and a 4,000 K LED light.
See it? And gives you a charge for up to 90 minutes.
Pop it right on there like that.
The next thing I want to talk about was the weed whacker.
It does what it's supposed to do without hurting you.
If you pluck your nose hairs with tweezers, you understand the value of this product.
The Performance Package also comes with the Crop Preserver and the Crop Reviver.
That literally just took away the smell of my hockey gear.
Un déodorant pour mes bijoux, oui s'il vous plaît.
And they also include the Magic Mat, this hilarious newspaper that is designed to help catch your trimmings.
Just when you thought that you had everything that you needed, no, Manscaped's giving you 2 gifts.
Clap it up, clap it up.
The Shed Travel Bag and the amazing Boxer Brief.
Pretty cute. Pretty cute.
The bottom line is if you got the balls.
Welcome to the Manscaped movement, everyone.